please sing along, please. You can't make up your mind. You think you're running out of time. You have a lot of good ideas. You try to do what you think is best. But something is definitely missing. And you can't figure out your quest. But hey, that's life, and there's nothing better to do than sing with the people next to you. Take an adventure, try your luck, dance on the table like you don't give a funny jokes and Facebook pokes, passing notes and ships and boats. Try to make it mama and papa say wow. Do it right now, do it right now. Do it right now. So we're back to the part. Does the song open up your heart? Does it make you feel warm and fuzzy? I definitely think that it should. I wanted to include something about bunnies. Because, well, I guess I knew I could. But hey, that's life, and there's nothing better to do than sing with the people next to you. Take an adventure, try your luck, dance on the table like you don't give a funny jokes and Facebook pokes, passing notes and ships and boats. Try to make it mama and pop say wow. Do it right now, do it right now. 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 Let's go, woo-wee, to a place that we all know, and we'll have a lot of fun. That is soon to come. Say hi. Hello, people who pass by. Amen. So everybody clap your hands, to the beat of the band. Bacon, Jamaican. We do a place that we all know. Fun. Come. Hello.
You can do it.
What's up, everybody? Clap your hands. Bacon. Oh my God. We're singing la 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 la. We're singing la 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 la. If you don't know the words to sing in a song, the best thing to do is to sing about nothing at all. When you don't know the words to sing in a song, the best thing to do is to sing la 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 la. We're singing la 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 la. We're singing la 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 la. La 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 la. Oi! La 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 la. Lahain. We're singing la 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 la. We're singing la 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 la. It's the end. I am starting to develop feelings for you. But I don't know if you feel the way too. self-control is lacking just a bit. I want, my addiction for you is too hard to quit. I want, I feel like the biggest creep in the place. I want, but I'll say it anyway. I like your face. You walked right past me when we went outside. Ooh, I gave an awkward smile, but I really wanted to hide. What do I do about this situation? What do I do? You're my biggest temptation, and my self-control is lacking just a bit. I want, my addiction for you is too hard to quit. I want, I feel like the biggest creep in the place. I want, but I'll say it again. I like your face. I like your face. I like your face. I like your face. Nice face. We lost the sun flying through the sky in a little jet plane. Trees and bushes whipped across the window when we travel by train. You buy the snacks, I'll buy the snacks, or a road trip. Or if you prefer to see the ocean, we can travel by ship. I want to travel the world with you. We can get one of those bikes where the pedals are made for two. I don't care how we get there, anyway we'll do. I just want to travel, traveling with you. Do, with you. We don't need much, just a sleeping bag and a tent. We'll take lots of pictures of animals like elephants. We'll wear our fanny packs, yeah, we'll look so cool. The earth's our playground and the ocean's our swimming pool. I want to travel the world with you. We can get one of those bikes where the pedals are made for two. I don't care how we get there, anyway we'll do. I just want to travel, traveling with you. Do, with you. Do, with you. With you. Every day I want to hear you say my name. Every time you will find a way to make my day, because it's you, you're the one that I want. You're the one that I want. And I know that you're not available now, but even so, I got a feeling that this will work out. And it's funny, because I'm not the kind of girl who usually waits, but I got a feeling that this is fate. Every day I want to hear you say my name. Every time you will find a way to make my day, because it's you, you're the one that I want. You're the one that I want. And I know that it would be easier to just quit, but you're the kind of guy who is